Two breakthrough platforms shaking up no-code in 2025. But which one actually wins where it matters most? On the left, Softr, the no-code website and app builder for everyone. And on the right, Lovable, rapid AI UI prototyping for modern teams. Let's skip the hype and get down to the details. Every category gets points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which tool comes out ahead. The verdict might just surprise you. Here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing today, just so you know what to expect. We'll look at use case and core audience, features and customization, ease of use and deployment, pricing and ROI, security and permissions, plus integration and scalability. That's pretty much everything that matters. All right, let's kick off with use case and core audience. Softr is honestly a lifesaver for anyone trying to set up a business portal, a CRM, or some sort of directory. And you know what? You don't even need to be techie at all. The cool part, it gives you actual business-ready apps with stuff like authentication, permissions, automations. But to be fair, if you're just chasing quick UI mockups and want to sketch ideas lightning fast, that's not really Softr's main thing. Now, Lovable comes in clutch if you're a UI UX designer, maybe working at an agency or part of an ideation team. It's all about validating concepts, like super quick. But here's the catch. It's not built for production. So if you need that robust live workflow, it's not the best call. Honestly, I'd say Softr takes the edge here for most people, especially in business. Moving on to features and customization. Softr offers a clean drag-and-drop builder, tons of templates, and solid integrations. Think Airtable and Google Sheets. But, on the flip side, if you want sophisticated back-end logic or your own built-in database, you kind of hit a wall. Now, Lovable steps up with some pretty wild advanced customization. Real-time prototyping feels almost magical, honestly. It's got its own database, API hooks, even a real-time logic engine. But let's be real. If you're after really deep workflows or production-level stuff, it's not quite there. Still, if you want to play with UI and do wild experiments, Lovable actually wins this round. Next, ease of use and deployment. Softr is just, oh man, easy. Like honestly, no code needed. And you'll get something up and running within minutes. There are guides for everything, and the customer support is solid. Of course, tweaking every last detail isn't what it's built for, but it's fine for most folks. On Lovable's side, it's fast, sure. The UI generation is wicked speedy, and the docs are pretty detailed. But deployment? Yeah, it's trickier. You gotta be a little more technical, and it's not some plug-and-play solution for business ops. So, for getting things live without headaches, Softr runs away with this round. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Softr, it lets you build secure client portals with login, so you can actually run real business apps. Lovable AI, though, is just plain unbeatable when you want to whip up high-speed design mockups. It's wild how each one nails its specialty. Okay. Pricing and ROI. Softr is practically a win for bootstrappers and small teams. You get predictable costs, nothing crazy, plus you basically launch super fast. Of course, if your business goes big, you might need pricier plans, but for most, it's a sweet deal. Lovable, on the other hand, makes sense for agencies and designers who live and die by prototype speed. But as soon as you want deeper features, it starts costing more. And honestly, it's more geared towards enterprise prototypes, not long-term business use. So again, Softr comes out ahead for value and return on investment. Let's talk security, authentication, and permissions. Softr does this so well, it's almost surprising. You get built-in user authentication, roles, and you can make granular permission setups for that client portal stuff. Sure, for super advanced governance, you'll need a little extra setup, but even out of the box, it's secure. Lovable? Yeah, not really built for that. No real authentication or permission controls. And honestly, I wouldn't trust it with live business data. So it's pretty clear. Softr owns this category. Lastly, integrations and scalability. Softr works with a bunch of top SaaS and data platforms, and they've got a marketplace for new integrations. But you do end up depending on those third-party data sources quite a bit. Lovable, though, this is where it surprises you. The API support is rich, and it handles complex external data like a champ. It's super flexible for, say, showing off wild prototypes or linking data in interesting ways. But keep in mind, it's not designed for full-scale operations. In this area, Lovable actually comes out on top. Not bad for a prototyping tool. All right, let's visualize all of this head-to-head. Imagine our radar chart. Softr sweeps most business categories in security, but Lovable spikes hard in customization and integrations. Both fill unique gaps, and you can see right away which one matches your vibe. So, bottom line, if you want reliable business apps, true portals, and zero-code headaches, Softr is the best choice. But if you only care about blazing fast UI concepts, playful design sprints, and prototyping before anyone else, go with Lovable. Seriously, pick the one that matches how you work. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.